off the water.
2, 3, go. So sir, this is one water level indicator. This works simply on the fact that water it conducts electricity. So we connected a probe. The water will act as a medium, and see, as we can see that if we pour the water, see, this is the first level. So as we increase, we can see that the level it rises, and when it is almost time to overflow, the buzzer will sound, indicating that it is maximum, so that we can off the water supply. So this is our project. This project can be used in household, in irrigation system, and many more activities. So that is all for